Hello dear clients, thanks for giving the gig. Customer satisfaction my top priority. I am very expert and quick. I'll remove background from your image. Using handmade Photoshop clipping path and hair masking. White and transparent. Any background.